When it comes to choosing a healthy snack, nuts are often at the top of the list. They're convenient, portable, satisfy hunger quickly, and are full of beneficial nutrients. However, as we age, the nutritional requirements of our bodies shift. Certain foods that were once considered safe or healthy may not serve our needs as well in our later years, according to Dr. Evelyn Reed, head of nutritional science at Lakeside Medical Center in Greenville. While many nuts are healthy in moderation, some can pose potential health risks for older adults. Her recent health segment highlighted the 5 nuts seniors should limit or avoid entirely, as well as the 5 best nuts that can contribute positively to senior health. 5 nuts seniors should avoid or limit her. Reed's first recommendation is caution. Not every nut offers benefits across the board, especially for individuals over 60. Here are 5 types of nuts she urges older adults to steer clear of, or at least consume in strict moderation. 1. Bitter almonds. Regular almonds are widely known for their health benefits, but bitter almonds are a different story altogether. Bitter almonds contain a naturally occurring compound called amygdalin, which the human body can convert into cyanide. While small amounts might not lead to immediate harm, the risk of cyanide poisoning is real. For this reason, the consumption of bitter almonds should be completely avoided. Most almonds sold commercially in the U.S. are sweet almonds, but it's important to be cautious with imported or unprocessed varieties. 2. Peanut sulfite peanuts are one of the most popular snack options in the country. They come with several drawbacks, particularly for older adults. First, peanuts aren't technically nuts, they are legumes, which makes them more susceptible to contamination by aflatoxins, toxic compounds produced by molds. These aflatoxins have been linked to liver damage and may weaken the immune system over time. Additionally, peanuts are rich in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 are essential in small amounts, an excess can contribute to systemic inflammation, which is a root cause of many chronic diseases including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even some forms of cancer. 3. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts have a deliciously rich and buttery flavor, but they are also incredibly high in fat and low in both protein and fiber. For seniors, this imbalance can be problematic. Protein and fiber are vital nutrients for maintaining lean muscle mass, improving digestion, and preventing frailty. High fat intake without enough counterbalancing nutrients can lead to unhealthy weight gain, energy crashes, and poor satiety. If you enjoy macadamia nuts, consider treating them as an occasional indulgence rather than a daily snack. 4. Pine nuts. Often featured in Mediterranean dishes and famously used in pesto, pine nuts might seem like a harmless gourmet option. However, they contain a compound known as piolenic acid. This substance may interfere with certain medications, especially those commonly prescribed for high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Since many seniors rely on daily medication regimens, the potential for interaction is a significant concern. Moreover, some individuals report a lingering bitter or metallic taste after consuming pine nuts, a condition known as pine mouth that can last several days. 5. Cashews. Cashews are known for their smooth, buttery texture and mild flavor, making them a favorite in everything from trail mix to vegan cream sauces. However, cashews are relatively high in oxalates, naturally occurring compounds that can bind with calcium and reduce the body's ability to absorb it. For seniors, calcium is an essential mineral for bone health. Inadequate absorption can lead to weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures. Additionally, high oxalate intake is associated with the formation of kidney stones, a painful condition that many older adults are more susceptible to. 5 nuts that are beneficial for seniors. Luckily, while some nuts pose health concerns, others are exceptionally beneficial, especially for adults over 60. Dr. Reed recommends incorporating the following 5 nuts into your diet regularly to support heart, brain, bone, and muscle health. 1. Chestnut. Chestnuts stand apart from other nuts due to their low fat content. Unlike many nuts that are high in calories and fats, chestnuts provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, and a unique blend of antioxidants and vitamin C. These nutrients make them an excellent energy source, especially for seniors managing blood sugar levels, or looking for a lighter alternative to richer nuts. Vitamin C also supports immune function and collagen production, both of which are crucial for skin health and tissue repair in older age. 2. Almonds are an all-around nutritional powerhouse. They offer a wealth of calcium and magnesium, two minerals essential for bone density and muscular function. As we age, bone loss becomes a more significant concern, especially for women post-menopause. Regularly consuming almonds can help maintain bone mass and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Additionally, almonds are high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and protects cells from oxidative damage. 3. Walnuts. Not only do walnuts resemble the shape of the human brain, but they also nourish it. They are one of the best plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is essential for cognitive function. Studies have shown that regular walnut consumption may improve memory, concentration, and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. They are also rich in polyphenols, plant compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. 4. Brazil nuts. If you're looking for a mineral-rich superfood, Brazil nuts should be at the top of your list. Just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts a day provides more than your daily requirement for selenium, an essential nutrient that supports thyroid health, muscle function, and immunity. Selenium also plays a role in antioxidant defense and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. However, because of the high selenium content, moderation is key. Overconsumption can lead to selenium toxicity, so stick with just a couple per day. 5. Pistachios. The small, green-hued nuts pack a powerful nutritional punch. Pistachios are one of the most protein-rich nuts and are also high in potassium, a mineral vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and proper heart function. For older adults dealing with hypertension or cardiovascular issues, pistachios can be a heart-healthy snack choice. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids known for their protective effects on eye health, particularly against age-related macular degeneration. Making smart nut choice and adding nuts to your diet as a senior, portion control, and preparation methods are just as important as the type of nut you choose. Here are some practical tips from Dr. Reed. Go raw or dry roasted. Many commercially available nuts are roasted in oils, which can add unnecessary saturated fats. Opt for raw or dry roasted varieties without added salt. Watch your portion sizes. Nuts are calorie dense. A small handful, about 1 ounce, is typically sufficient. Be cautious with mixes. Trail mixes often contain dried fruit, chocolate, or candy pieces, which can spike sugar intake and negate the health benefits of the nuts themselves. Store them properly. Nuts can go rancid if stored improperly. Keep them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place or refrigerate or freeze them to extend shelf life. Final thoughts. While nuts can be an outstanding addition to a senior's diet, not all varieties offer the same health benefits. Understanding which nuts to embrace and which to avoid is essential for maximizing nutritional value and supporting long-term wellness. Dr. Evelyn Reed's guidance highlights the importance of tailoring dietary choices to meet the changing needs of the aging body. With the right selections, nuts can support better brain function, heart health, stronger bones, and more robust immunity, allowing older adults to enjoy life more fully and energetically. Incorporating the right nuts in moderation and with mindful preparation can make all the difference. So next time you reach for a snack, choose wisely. Your body will thank you for it.